Okay, so I talk a lot about organizing with kids and how to keep organized space. And I feel like you're always hearing it from me. Here's your opportunity to actually hear from my children. So I have my son Parker here. We are standing in his closet, as you can see. So, okay, I just want you to share a few things that you feel like, I know outside of like keeping your room clean, which is not always fun. What do you actually enjoy about having an organized room, organized closet? Like, share some things that as a kid you enjoy about being organized. So I want you to answer honestly, right? Like, just be totally honest. If there's stuff that you don't like about, you know, organizing or whatever, like, you can say all that stuff. But if there's any benefits and things that you do like about having an organized space or having a really cool organized mom, like, you can say all that stuff too. Okay? So what helps you clean up your room? We'll start there.
I really like that I have labels because I know, again, where like everything goes, and when like I take it out, I can put it back in there.
Okay.
I usually start with my desk, get all the colored pencils and papers and notebooks, and I put them in the drawers and the bins where they belong. So I really like that I have labels because that also helps me to put everything back and know where it belongs and not just leave it on my desk.
Okay. So give me some examples since they can't see behind us. What are some things that you have that are kind of in a system that make it easy to clean up? So like you got your bookshelf over there. How does that help with getting your books in order?
I feel like since I have the like dividers, I can like, and since I have two shelves for my books, I can like kind of see where like all of like my books go, and like if like there's empty spaces, I'll know, oh, where's like my other books. Since I keep track of all my books, I'll be like, okay, so where's this one? I'm like, oh, it's under my bed, since that's where it would be.
That's where most of your stuff is, under your bed.
Yeah, and then like I'll put it back. So like with my bookshelf, it's really helpful for my age.
Okay. And then like you have your bin for your Legos, your trucks. Does that help when I walk in here and I'm like, why are all these trucks and cars on the floor?
Yes, it does. It does help because I have the bin, and it's like, it's bigger than just like having drawers. It's like an actual bin. So like I'll look and I'm like, hey, why is this empty? And I'll be like, oh, I have a trillion trucks on my floor. And then I'll open up the bin and now put it in there. So
we'll just show an example of your truck bin, since like I said, they can't see behind us, so we'll just share an example. So this is your truck bin, and when I say, oh my gosh, you have all these trucks, you just can throw them back in the bin, right? And they slide right into your cubby.
Yes.
So that's a benefit to you?
Yes.
Okay. So what else do you feel is a benefit? Like when you have to clean up, like you said, your desk is usually kind of messy. So when you need to clean up your desk, like, does it help? What helps you, I guess, with putting stuff back?
I really like all of the mini sections with all of like the pens, pencils, colored pencils, and markers.
So you like your label?
Yes, I definitely like that. Since I'm usually at my desk, or that's where the desk is for, I'll see and I'll see it's there, and I'll just put it back in there.
Okay. So having the labels make it easier for you to put it back?
Yes.
I don't want to say it in my words, but I'm just asking. I'm clarifying.
Yes, it does. Because I feel like the labels, it like, because if there's just like a bunch of like random drawers, everything would be, not drawers, bins. Yeah, cubs. I would like just put it all in like different ones, and I would not know like, oh, this is pencils and colored pencils. I would just be searching for it because I'm like, oh, where's my pen? Oh, it's mixed with the markers.
Right.
And I'll be like, wait, why is it in there? So I like that it's labeled because it helps me just put it right back in there and not get confused.
Okay. So last but not least, because everybody got to see your awesome closet transformation last year that Daddy and I did for you. So do you feel that this little system was better than your old system where you had a dresser and things would get mixed up a lot and it would just get jumbled? Do you like your new closet system? And if you do like your new closet system, what do you like about it? Besides the fact that like I slaved over it for a couple of days and tried to make it awesome for you.
Well, I don't want to say never, but I really didn't like that I had a dresser because I made my own labels and like stuff would get mixed up. And now that I have this, it says shirts, socks, underwear, all this other stuff, it's easier for me.
Okay.
Because like with the labels, I can put everything in there, and since it has dividers, it's easier just to like, because like when I had the dresser, everything would just be piled on top of each other. Now that there's dividers, one thing like shirts and pants can go on this side, and other stuff can go on this side, so it's not mixed together.
Okay. I think those are some really solid answers, folks. So instead of me telling you that creating systems for your kiddos is a good idea, you can hear from my very own kiddo. So thank you, Parker, for talking to everyone about your, I won't say love for organizing, but you see the benefits. Even though you hate cleaning up your room, you see the benefits of organized space. So thank you so much for this awesome interview and for sharing your thoughts about being an organized kid and having an awesome organized mom. Even though you didn't say that, I know that's what you're thinking, right? Thank you.